Kobe's. What you doing, bud? Oh, good stretch. All right, it's morning time here in Arizona. Been up for a bit, getting some work done, getting ready to head into town. I want to update you on what I'm dealing with the bus. So right down here, you can see I have a little bit of a leak going on, and that is because I have a little mouse problem. If you don't know what these are glue traps. And what the mouse keeps doing is getting his water from my drain pipe here. What he does is he chews through that and then drinks his water, but what that causes is a leak. I thought I was going to be clever and put the glue traps right on the side here, because I think he's like climbing up here and doing that. I didn't check before I went to bed, but when I woke up this morning, there was water down there. The glue trap was moved. I even put a little bit of Kobe's treats there to convince him to get on there. Looked like he was nice enough to leave a little mouse turd on there. He's been chewing stuff up. And I have, no exaggeration, a bunch of different traps with different bait, everything from popcorn to peanut butter. I have 7 traps set up here, not including the glue traps. And he keeps getting away from it every time. He is living somewhere up there. So up in the storage up here, I have a couple extra traps with the glue trap, and I hear him up there. And another thing that he was nice to do for me was to chew through the wires in my light in the bathroom. So until I kill this guy, I am leaving that light out and waiting to replace it. But he's up around this area. So I'm heading to Home Depot right now to get a new drain. I'm also picking up more glue traps. I am just going to make the bottom floor of that all glue traps. And hopefully he eventually gets in one, and then I'll be able to dispose of the little guy. Luckily, the drains are only like $7-8, but at the time going there, coming back, installing it, dealing with all that, it's just a huge pain. I also need to try and track down some more coco coir for the composting toilet. So the place that I've been at is actually a RV park. I've been just doing dry camping here. A fellow nomad and I have been playing basketball and pickleball here. Also, they have laundry, and it was just a cool spot to hang out after Schoolypalooza because I was absolutely brain dead. And I've also had people come here to film for tiny home tours, so I'm able to give them a day pass with my $20 a night dry camping fee here. And it's fairly quiet. They're able to come here, do their laundry, fill up their fresh water, dump their tanks. And I mention all that because I'm going to be heading out today. I'm actually going to go to Quartzsite, probably meet up with Jim and Debbie, hang out in Quartzsite for a bit, do some filming out there. So just wanted to update you on the nice little mouse friend that I have. And, you know, an easy button to all this is getting a cat. I am absolutely not a cat person. If you're a cat person, that's totally fine. I am not a cat person. I am not getting a cat. I don't care how long I have to deal with this mouse, what he does. I'm not getting a cat. So if you have any suggestions on how to get rid of these mice, I even have a noisemaker, like a little plug-in noisemaker that's supposed to keep mice away. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything at all. So I'm going to head to Home Depot, get the new gear, try and track down some coco coir for the composting toilet, and get ready to head to Quartzsite. Alright, glue traps, peat moss. Actually, I should probably get 3 of these, just in case he decides to eat even more. So, I ended up getting a couple things to fight my little mouse friend, one of which being this little smelly thing. So it has like mint, super strong, like it's super pungent. So I got this, which I am going to throw up there. It'll just live up there, so I know he's hiding out up there. So this is the first thing I'm gonna do. There you go, little guy. Hopefully that smells really bad for you. Now I gotta switch this out. This will be the third time, hopefully the third time's a charm, that I catch this. I'll save my English words there. Hopefully I catch this little guy this time. But I gotta swap this out. It's always the fun part because there's water still in there and it gets everywhere. That's fun. Okay, no leaks. So, in war you need to know your enemy. Right now, I know where he's at, and I know that he's wanting water, or she. Hopefully it's not a she, hopefully there's no little mouse babies running around in here. But, I know that the mouse needs water, and it's every 2 days. So they just got water, probably won't need water for another day. So what I'm going to do is set up this entire area with the sticky traps. And hopefully what that will do is put it in a situation to where the mouse has to go over the sticky traps, and there's so many of them that there's no way that that mouse is going to get to that without getting caught in a sticky trap. That's the plan. So it seems to me that the mouse is getting up on this and then chewing on this flexible part that's really thin to get the water. I put 2 traps up on the side right here, and either the mouse knocked them off to get to the water, or as I changed the trash yesterday, I accidentally dropped them because I had them up like this. So step number 1 is actually taping glue traps up here and then lining this entire bottom area with sticky traps so the mouse cannot get to this unless it goes past the sticky traps. So now I'm seeing the mouse can just, well, I don't know how the mouse can actually get up and get on this. Maybe what I'll do is move some of that sticky stuff onto the middle there, just in case. Cool. Then got these bigger traps to put in the area as well. So, hopefully as the mouse is bouncing around in here, it's caught in that trap. I also got these. I tried baiting these with cheese. There's chips on here. What I'm going to do is set this up with some water in it too. Because what I'm thinking is, if the mouse can't get to the water there and it finds easier water with this, once it tries to get the water, this aggressive little trap will get it. Alright, got some water in this. We'll see how this goes. So I don't have to spend $20 every week replacing plumbing.
That have happened with, iOS, privacy stuff, or maybe
Look at Instagram or
are so unique in the sense that you can create ads that feel so organic and connect to the changes and continue to make Facebook and Instagram ads work for your company.
Or they even listen on Facebook now that podcasts are embedded in Facebook, right?
Right. And those audiences that
Lead generation, can you just give an example also on that side of things, like what's working? Like you mentioned that a very simple actionable thing seems to be working and can be a very economic thing, kind of is like.
Yeah, so a lot of times what I'm seeing is
Right here. Down. Hey, come here. Come on, right here. Cookies, right here. Sit. Come on, sit. Hey. Toby's, nope. Come here. Come on. Over here. Down. Come here. Toby's. Come on. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. Come here. He's a good boy. Okay. How you feel, Kobe's? You just shook off in the car, which is always good. You're a clean boy now. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, Kobe's a good boy. Good boy. Kobe's all clean. Lots of birds are going to have some nice nests. All right, just wrapping up for the day. So, one point with all the stuff that you saw, the plan, original plan, was to be on the road by 10, get to Quartzsite, hang out with Jim and Debbie, Bobby and Sharon, get some new tours done of their rigs for tiny home tours. But a mouse decided to chew through my plumbing, and you just have to adjust. One of the benefits of working from these magic little boxes called laptops is it allows you to be very flexible, and overall it's just complete freedom, like starting the day with just something popping up and being able to adjust everything. Told Jim and Debbie I'd meet up with them tomorrow. They're nomads, so they get it as well, like things pop up. And just went and got dog food, ran errands with Kobuk, gave him a wash, did the composting toilet. Probably going to spend the rest of the evening putting away dishes, doing a deep clean of the bus, and getting it ready to leave tomorrow. Being that tomorrow is Monday, poses a little bit of a different situation because I have to watch out for the traffic. So basically I'll leave here around 10 tomorrow, let the rush hour traffic die down, and then head out west to Quartzsite. Be there for who knows how long. Really depends on how many people are coming here to Phoenix to tour and how many tours I get out in Quartzsite. So it's just really cool. It's really awesome. Like, as I was driving around today, like, feeling like, I'm supposed to be there today, but then just in the back of my mind reminding myself that I created a situation where it doesn't really matter if things pop up. I can be flexible. I can adjust. And that's one of the biggest things that I enjoy about this lifestyle. You know, when I was doing my college internship, when I was absolutely hating my life, working 9 to 5, even when I had weekends off, I knew I had to be back Monday. And that was the biggest thing that just absolutely killed my soul. And with this lifestyle, you know, you put in the work on the laptop, the iMac, whatever computer you're working, you save up, you build your rig, but once you get to that point, once you get to that milestone, then things really open up. So, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.